Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites and initiating the update tool. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or keep the phone plugged in because updates can take time. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent data charges and failed downloads. Once connected, open Settings, go to Software Updates, and tap Check for updates. This starts the download if an update is available. Doing these steps prevents interruptions and ensures you won't lose personal data. Once the update is detected, read the release notes so you know what changes to expect and how large the download is. Tap Download and allow the process to complete. Don't force close the Settings app or restart the device while downloading, because that can corrupt the package. After download, select Install Now or pick a time to schedule overnight installation. The phone will reboot and apply the update. This may take 10–30 minutes, depending on the package size and your device model. After installation, verify the new build number in Settings and test essential apps to confirm everything functions. If the update failed or the device boot loops, first try a normal restart, then clear system cache and free 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage before retrying the update, because insufficient space or corrupted cache often causes failures. If problems persist, boot into Oppo Recovery for a system repair or backup data and contact an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.